Welcome to Tooltech Kick. I'm going to make a sort of Swiss Army knife or very crude multi-tool using a bunch of hardware parts. I like to make tools kind of from scratch using various parts, and these are some plates that are used for probably for mending furniture or building furniture. Come in different finishes. These are some black, this is a silver or kind of stainless finish. So this will become the scales or the handles of the tool. Then we have pivots. This is a knife type of pivot screws, which are a little bit more expensive, but there's also other binding screws. These are more budget friendly and have a different finish. These are kind of like a Phillips head, so they don't look as nice as the other pivots. But we're going to use these plates to create the handles of the tool. And here I put some together with a pivot and a couple of nuts. And I'm gonna use this binding screw with a washer and put it through one of the handles. Put another washer now. Now I'm gonna add a 3D printed utility blade. This uses a very small size utility blade. I'm gonna add another washer. I'm adding a bottle opener that's been a laser cut from stainless. Here that from Sand Cut Sand. Now this is a little tool I made just by cutting a sheet metal, shaping it using like saw, a sander, etc. Same thing here. I'm stacking them. Put another washer. Now we close it off. I'm going to add the other screw and tighten it up with a screwdriver. And now we have a very simplified multi-tool, which basically is a lot made from scratch. So I think that's pretty fantastic. It's not as sophisticated as a real Swiss Army knife in terms of springs, locks, etc. But I think it's something fun to do. Because it doesn't have locks or springs, probably you want to carry this in some kind of sheath to protect yourself. So that's it. Thank you for watching.